Remington portable typewriter. It's I think 3 threes, two-tone green color. Beautiful condition. The serial number V314929 maybe. Yeah. According to the typewriter database, it was manufactured in 1930. I clean a lot. When I was bought this one, there is no, the draw code was disconnected, so I put the new draw code. Actually, it was listed in the Hush Park around there, Pennsylvania. It's a 2-hour drive away. So I asked the seller some discount, and then he responded like half of my ask, but still it's 2-hour drive away. So I did not decide, but he texted me. He had a relative who wanted to went down to the Delaware Beach. So during that trip, he wanna send this typewriter to me for me to see the condition and then decide to buy. So I was lucky, with discount, and then his brother brought this typewriter to me. Actually, we met in the tennis court. So at that time, I thought I reviewed this typewriter in the tennis court. But yeah, anyway. So I cleaned and then just deconnected using the new fishing wire draw code. After that, it works perfect. The key is very beautiful condition, right? Yeah. And then another special thing with this typewriter, right now this is it's unlocked. So I already unlocked, but to lock, we need to push this button, like hold it like this, and then push the this knob to the left side. I do using the two hands. Okay, now it was pushed right. In this case, it move like this way, but it's automatically move to this position, and then also it doesn't work the other this around means it was locked. If at this case, with this lock and then draw code is disconnected, then this carriage move freely. So it looks like broken, but it's not broken, it's locked. So in order to unlock, same thing. This button hold like this, and then pull this way, this one, then it will be unlocked. I do using the both hand. Now it's unlocked. So if you push this carriage to the right, any spot it can hold like this, but if it was locked, then automatically this carriage moved back. That's the one unique function of this Remington typewriter. Not every portable typewriter, but number 5 series, there's no like this function, but 3 series, yeah, it has like this function. So except that it's very same thing with the other. I like this one especially because you have a very beautiful two-tone color, right? Yeah. So that's one of my favorite color. So right now condition is very good. I clean a lot, but when I bought the steel, it was very good condition. But just I clean a lot, and then this typewriter took off the base, and then I put this feed. Okay, that's it. Let's see some sample typing. Okay. Thank you for watching.